watch how I shape this meat pie. If you want to really see how I shape this meat pie filling, please check my channel out. I have the details there. So that is it. So you have 2 kilo of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. So I'll mix together and I'll combine together. I have my room temperature margarine, 900 grams. I'll add to the flour and I'll mix and mix and mix until it looks crumbly. So now it looks crumbling. I'll add in my 2 cracked eggs. I'll add in my picnic. I'll mix together. So at this junction, guys, I'll be needing my table surface. So I'll pour to my table surface so it will be easier for me to work with. So I'll continue molding, I'll continue doing it. So the dough was still very hard. I'll add in cold water bit by bit. I'll continue molding, I'll continue doing it. So I'll still add more water. So now I'm going to mix until everything comes together. So the dough has finally come together. So I will mold it into 3 parts so that it will be easier for me to work with. So I'll cover with a fling and allow it to rest for 5 minutes. So this is after 5 minutes. That is my picnic and that is my rested filling. So I'll show you how I cut my meat pie. So I'll just roll it out, and when you are doing that, make sure it's not too thick, make sure it's not too thin. So I'll add the filling and I'll cover and I'll cut with my plate. If you want to cut it like this, make sure you're having a plate like this. Just press it, the excess dough will go out. So that is it. I'll just use my fork to press them down and give it that meat pie look. If you have watched to this extent, I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you for always coming to watch me. If you are new, please subscribe, be a member of this family, turn on the post notifications so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. So this other one, I'm going to show you how I use my cutter to cut it. So I just roll it out, not too thick, not too thin. I'll rub some flour to my cutter and I'll add in the dough, I'll add in the fillings, and I'll cover and press it very hard. When you press it very hard, the excess dough will go out easily. So that is it. Easy and fast. So I'll continue the process until I'm done with the whole dough. I'll set aside and I'll continue until the dough is empty. So I'll arrange it in my oven tray and I will wash it with my milk. I preheated my oven 160 to 1 hour. So this is it after 1 hour, front and back cooked. I will open one and show you how it look like. Look flaky, looks delicious. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.